Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can auto-fit columns in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet cells looking like a cramped mess, you need to stop dragging every single column line manually. Whether you have a giant paragraphs or maybe a tiny numbers, there is a one-click secret to make your columns perfectly hug your data. So in here, what you need to do first is just select the columns, and to make it fit into the content or the data inside the columns, you can just double click on the column like this, and it will change your column size automatically. But if you want to make it the same size, you can just select the columns and then just drag it like this, and it will all have the same size. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on